Do you love Disney and wish that you could collect adorable virtual pets? Maybe you want to create a magical world for your Bitzee to play in, but you're not sure how. You're not alone. Many people are stuck trying to figure out how to make the most of this fun app. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you're going to have all the tricks that you need to master your Disney Bitzee. So here are 5 easy steps to get started. First, you're going to choose your Disney Bitzee. You can pick a cute little character like Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse. Next, you're going to customize your Bitzee home. So add furniture, decorations, even a little park for your pet. Third, play games to level up your Bitzee and unlock new items. The more you play, the more rewards that you're going to get. All right? Now, fourth thing, you're going to take care of your Bitzee by feeding and cleaning it, keeping your pet happy to keep unlocking new adventures. See, that's the way it works. You keep your pet happy and you unlock new adventures. Lastly, you're going to make friends in the Bitzee community. You can visit their homes, you can trade items, and have fun together. So get ready to make your Bitzee the best virtual pet ever. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated on all things. And thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.